Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I was watching this Japanese show. Like, no, yeah, yesterday was a very, see, honestly, at some level, we are all waiting for job interviews. Is that so? It was a lot of, it was a very tension filled day yesterday. And right now, I'm all dressed and ready because in some time, the no the washing machine repair guy will appear, because the thing is, these rabbits, yeah, one of them chewed off, the black rabbit, the boy rabbit chewed off the pipe, drain pipe of my washing machine. So that guy is going to come and repair it, and luckily, because of that, luckily I'm saying, other things of the machine that were not working, that guy will repair, and that is a major expense. So so yeah, no, this pipe is 300, the other major expense is 3000. So, but yeah, without that it was not functioning all that well. So anyway, see, the whole thing about life is everything, the most sad things, there's always a brighter, there's always something better that comes out of it. No, yeah, in these times this is something we need to just hold on to, this view. And it's already crossed a 1 minute video, and I will catch you all in my next video, which is tomorrow. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.